Over the past few years, we've been able to sell thousands of tumblers like these on platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and TikTok Shop. And this was actually the front of our house at USPS pickup time many times. So in this video, I wanted to go through exactly how I make, pack, and ship tumblers from home and how easy it can be for you to get started as well. If you are new to the channel, I'm Bailey, the owner of Bailey Design Co., one of the largest tumbler design shops on Etsy, and the owner of the membership site Bailey Tumbler Designs. So step number 1, create or make your design. There are many places to get designs, including my shop on Etsy, or if you happen to be a member of my membership. These days, I only sell a very few specific designs, and orders are averaging around 10 to 15 per day between the 3 places that I sell online, so we normally just fill orders twice per week. Once you have your design picked out, the easiest way is to save it as a PDF in the correct measurements of your tumbler. So mine are 9.3 by 8.2 inches. So in Canva, I'll just create a blank page at a regular page size of 8.5 by 11, and then size my design and make sure it is positioned correctly. All tumblers will vary a bit depending on your supplier, so just make sure that you measure yours beforehand to get those exact measurements. And then you will just save this as a PDF. Next, it's time to print the design. So I have the Sawgrass 1000 and it uses its own print manager to print from. There are lots of less expensive printers out there that you can get and then convert to sublimation printers as long as they are an EcoTake printer, and I did have one of these originally. However, it does take forever to print, and when you are filling lots of orders, it was just too much of a waste of time. The Sawgrass only takes a few seconds to print out the design, and it can print hundreds per day if needed. I'll also have the links to all of these supplies and equipment down in the description below. Next, it's time to wrap and tape your tumbler. Now, there are many types of ways and methods and different techniques to do this, but because I use an automatic heat press, it does involve very little taping. The tumblers I get are from Besson Tumblers, and I really do love them because they have a straight bottom, so they're not curved at all. They're also really great because they have 2 locations in the US, in New Jersey and California, and always ship the same day and have super fast shipping. So I know I can always get more inventory if I need to really quick. I will also have a coupon code for them in the link below. So you'll just want to trim off all of the white parts around your design so that it is just the design. Make sure that when you are wrapping it, there is nothing overlapping and that it is really taped tight. And now it's time to press. So I use the Go-To Craft automatic heat presses because they adjust to some of the most popular sizes of cups automatically. They adjust to the correct temperature by itself, and they even rotate the cup for you. Before I used a heat press like this, and while these totally work fine, you do have to manually rotate them and adjust the size with the knobs manually every time you want to make a different size of cup. So once the heat press is preheated, you'll just put the tumbler in and press the button for the size of tumbler that you're pressing, and it will start automatically and then rotate again when it is ready to. I was so excited when I saw that these were back in stock on Amazon, so I went ahead and ordered another one right away because I know that they do sell out quickly. Once it's finished, you can pull it out and carefully remove the paper. Next, it's time to package and ship the tumbler once it's totally cooled down. We'll just wipe down any fingerprints and put it back in the box with the lid that it came in, and then add a sticker to the top and put it in the shipping box. I'll also throw in some stickers, a care card, and a straw, and usually some type of pretty tissue paper. Then we'll print out the labels with our thermal label printer that we got from Amazon. and then attach it to the box and either schedule a pickup or make a run to the post office. All in all, it only takes about 1 to 2 hours if we have 40 to 60 orders to fill from start to finish, and we do only do this about 2 times per week. So after inventory and supplies, we usually average around $13 profit per tumbler, so about $6,000 a month is really not that bad for about 3 hours of work per week. We've also recently just added these glass tumblers, which are made with UV DTF, which is different than sublimation, but they really are beginning to take off. So do let me know in the comments if you are interested in learning more about that process. And if you want to learn more about the different businesses I run online, then be sure to watch this video up next. And as always, thanks so much for watching.